this video, I'm going to be showing you how to test any vanilla knife in CS2, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by opening up your developer console and typing in sv_cheats1. This makes sure that you are able to actually use cheats. Now the next thing you're going to type is mp_drop_knife_enable, and then you're going to type 1. Now once this is actually enabled, you will be able to drop your knife, just like that. Now once you drop your knife, you're going to open up your console once again and type in subclass_change and type in the number of the knife that you want to change to. All of the knives will be in the description of what you can actually change it to. So if I wanted to change it to 509, which is a huntsman knife, I would go back and pick up my knife and it would actually change to the knife that I wanted to test out. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.